shoulders. Katta, one. Katta is the past tense of the verb katsu, which means to win. Katta, 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 katta. Can you hear the differences? Katta, katta.
I can't make an example sentence in which both kata and katta are used. Here, I'll introduce a common Japanese phrase with kata and kotta instead.
Kata ga kotta. Japanese people
Frequently
say this phrase. Kata ga kotta. Kata ga koru. Kotta is the past tense of the verb koru, which means elaborate. When this koru is connected with kata, kata ga koru, we can express
to have
stiff shoulders, kata ga koru, kata ga kotta. And this kotta, grammatically it's the past tense, but we use it as the present. Kata ga kotta. Present perfect. Kata ga kotta. Or kata ga koru. Both of them are almost the same meaning.
As I said in the video about ta, we had 6 past verb helpers, ki, keri, tsu, nu, tari, ri, in ancient days. And now we have only ta. So ta has many meanings. Please watch this video for a deeper understanding of it.
Anyway, kata ga kotta or kata ga kotta. Both of them are good. Don't worry about it too much. This is just an exercise for the Japanese pitch accent. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。